Good everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix if virus and threat protection icon or options are missing in your Windows security. Now, when you open Windows security on your computer from the system tray, you might see that the virus and threat protection option is missing. Now, there is a quick way to fix the problem. Now, the first thing what you will have to do is you will have to open Registry editor. So you can do a right click on the start button and then click on run. In the run window, you may go ahead and type reg edit and click on OK. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on yes or continue on the screen. Now once you have the registry editor open, you will have to go ahead and collapse HKey local machine. So you can click on this arrow here. Once you have expanded HKey local machine, navigate to software, expand software. Under software, you will have to look for Microsoft. You may go ahead and expand Microsoft. Under Microsoft, you will have to go ahead and look for Windows Defender Security Center. So it would be in alphabetical order. So you might have to scroll down to the extreme bottom until you find the letter W. So we'll have to go ahead and locate for Windows Defender Security Center. Expand Windows Defender Security Center. And you will have to go ahead and look for virus and threat protection. Now basically to get back the option, there are two ways. So you will have to go, you would see a key which says UI lockdown. You will have to do a right click on modify and change the value from 1 to 0 and then click on OK. Refresh the desktop by doing a right click on the desktop. Now if you try to open the Windows security, you should be able to locate the options which were missing. The virus and threat protection options are available. This is one way. Another way is you can also go ahead and delete this key which says UI lockdown. Close the registry, refresh, come back to the desktop, refresh, and now if you open the Windows security, you should be able to locate options which were missing. This is one way to go ahead and fix or restore the options for virus and threat protection. Now, in spite of trying all this step, and if you're still facing a problem, the next method is to open PowerShell. So you can, in the search window, you may go ahead and type PowerShell. You would see a best match for Windows PowerShell. You can do a right click on Windows PowerShell and then click on run as administrator. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on yes or continue on the screen. Now once you're on the Windows PowerShell, what you will have to do is you will have to go ahead and type the command, which is I will also mention this command in the video description. So you'll have to type the command which says set-mp preference space minus UI lockdown and space 0 and hit enter. Once you hit enter, it would take some time to run the command. Close the PowerShell window, restart your computer, and you should have your virus protection or virus and threat protection option available back on your Windows security. So this is how you can go ahead and restore your virus and threat protection options in your Windows security. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.